We're here at the Nasugbu market, so there's a lot of subjects here. So you have vegetables, fish, and meat products. The lens I'm using is the RF 24-40mm. It's the new one from Canon. I like using this lens because it has a wide range. So from the focal length of 24mm to 240. This is, I think, the first for Canons to have a lens lineup for the full frame with this kind of range. And what I like about this is the 5 stops image stabilization. It's the first kind of lens that has a dynamic IS. So shooting in this environment with low light, you need good image stabilization, especially with really low shutter speed. Then you can capture a lot. Even with shutter speed about 130, 160, you'll be able to capture some really amazing stuff and sharp stuff. I think the 24-40mm is a good travel lens. I think the range that they chose was perfect. Most often when you're traveling, it's hard to replace lenses. So one of the things that you have to do is to keep one lens and keep moving, keep exploring the place. When you're out kasi, there's so many things that's happening around you, and safety is one of the aspects that you have to look after. And having one lens that has that wide and that reach of 240mm gives you more freedom to photograph rather than thinking, oh, should I change lens or should I use this lens. At least with that you can do a lot of things in terms of composition. Also, one of the things that I like about it is, of course, with that single lens and with that wide range of focal length is the weight. If you look at the 24-105 versus the 24-240mm, they're almost the same size. I think the 24-240mm is just slightly longer. So, and it's also lighter because it's a non-L lens. I think that's the strength of this lens, and that's why I think I'll use it a lot, especially when I'm traveling and I know that I'm gonna shoot travel rather than landscape photos.